Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Art Aura, please. We'll just give them a few moments to clear the stage. In the meantime, what a fabulous looking bunch of people. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Give yourselves a big round of applause, please. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Digital Banker, it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you to the Global Retail Banking Innovation Awards 2022 in person after a 3-year hiatus. My name is Angelique Teo, and it gives me great pleasure to be your host for this very special evening. Now, our last live gala was in 2019, and we are truly thrilled to host you all this evening at the Andaz Glass House in Singapore. Firstly, a huge congratulations to you all, our 2022 honorees of what is the Digital Banker's flagship assessment and accreditation program. We thank you for your dedicated efforts in undertaking the submission process and, of course, for your commitment in driving innovation and customer centricity. Now, we have a fabulous evening planned for you, as you could see with the start, for all those of you in attendance here at Andaz, and of course, for all of you who are joining us virtually live via Facebook. The GRB 2022 program turned half a decade old this year, so happy birthday, and has rapidly become the world's largest retail banking assessment program, showcasing trailblazing initiatives and bringing to the fore accelerated efforts in shaping the future of digital finance. Now, participation from worldwide banks has grown exponentially year on year and shows absolutely no signs of slowing down. Now, with that said, this is your evening, a chance to celebrate your hard work and relentless drive in putting your customers at the forefront of your businesses, and a chance to commend your team, your key team members, for being recognized by the Digital Banker. We hope you have a fantastic evening ahead, and we look forward to meeting the winners a little later. Rest assured, we will provide you instructions on how your award will be announced and when to come to the stage to be presented with your trophies as well as photo opportunities. Now, before we move on any further, esteemed guests and honorees, please allow me to introduce, for a brief keynote, Murali Krishnan Putanvidu, Head of Financial Services Practice for ThoughtWorks. Murali?
Good evening, everyone. It's glad to be back in-person event and good to be with great innovators out here who's winning the awards. The topic I had for you is quite a special one because this is something that I'm passionate about, and given the environment we are in with 3% GDP and 9% inflation growing, and with interest rate hikes and the prediction of long-term recessions coming, and we see VC funding getting dried up, I feel there's a greater responsibility as a financial services industry that we have, and sustainable finance is a great topic I want to kind of touch upon. So before we move on, one of the things I wanted to sort of lay down on the basic first principle basis in terms of what does a bank did traditionally from mediating the borrowing and lending side. While those aspects remain the same, we still need bank to have a safe access to our money, a safe place for money, access money, as well as understand money. What's also become, over the years, the banking industry as well as financial industry has become really a bedrock in terms of the importance it plays with regard to economies, with regard to government, with regard to people's aspiration. And when any conflict happens, I think there are two main levers that people use. One is the technology lever, and the other is the money lever, the finance lever. And while this is great, I think this transition to being the power center, to be the bedrock of these growth is great. It also comes with a greater responsibility as well. So, sorry, I'm not able to see. And that's the Spider-Man thing. With great power comes great responsibility. I think that's knowing that. Now, if I move on, there are three ways in which the banks and institutions are looking at playing the different role that they do. One is just to play on the information asymmetry out there and that we have seen examples in terms of what has happened on the crypto side of the world, as well as recently on the OpenSea in terms of the NFTs as such, in terms of secondary ownership and things like that. On the other extreme of it is where the banks and financial institutions want to really work with fulfill the aspirations of people, buying a home, or starting an industry and things like that. So they go all out to make the purpose-driven banking. And the third aspect of it that I'm frequently seeing is chasing the buzzwords, right? And one of the things that I hear is, financial institutions want to call themselves as technology companies who does also finance. So I think it's a conscious choice one has to make with regard to how do you find the right balance. You need to be in a sustainable business. You need to find out the insights, capitalize that, but then you also have to fulfill dreams of people who look up to you as an industry, right? And the third, so moving on, I think what I feel is, given the context we are in, given the economic headwinds that are coming our way, I think the greater role financial industry has to play, and there are strategic choices the leaders will have to make. So I'm calling it the 4 Ps, and I'll sort of elaborate on what these 4 Ps are. These are choices that leaders will have to make. The first one is around purpose over products, right? I think there's growing evidence that when there is alignment of values and alignment of purpose, people will want to be associated with you more. And the more you deviate from there, I think more and more it kind of gets into growth hacking, but there is no stickiness. If you want loyalty, you want stickiness, you want your customer to be remain with you, I think the purpose is what drives, right? And few examples and some of the technology or trends that I'm seeing in this space is around embedded finance and sustainable finance. One of the examples I can think of is one engagement where we are in, where the ask was to solve a financial services problem, but then when we quizzed more on the outcome they were trying to look at, this is for a farmer insurance, but then when we understood what they're looking for, the outcome is to have a predictable crop, right? That needs intelligence on the soil, intelligence on the weather, intelligence on the seeds, what you do, and then you sort of transform it to an ecosystem play. So you bring in partners and bring in capabilities that's outside. The next P that I want to talk to you about is principles over practice, right? So most of the time we get stuck on methodologies, right? And to take an example, if you look at, we've been pioneers on Agile from ages, I think even the manifestos, we have signatories on that. And what we have often seen is people getting stuck on this version of Agile or that other version of Agile. And to an extent, what we now say is, look, let's do unnamed Agile, and let's not get stuck on XP, Scrum, and practices. Let's talk about principles. What is important for you? Is it getting to market early? Is it transparency? Is it feedback, quick feedback? And then let's derive the methodology from there. Another example I could think of is on regulations, right? We often take a very risk-averse stand on regulation, but you really look at the guidelines from a regulatory point of view. It's looking at the safety, transparency kind of a thing for customer, right? As long as you are aligned on these guidelines, I think you are principally aligned, then I think the steps that you can take, the methodology currently follows. The next P that I want to focus on is personalized over popularity. So there is this popular notion of a growth hacking, where you see, look, I could provide a better interest rate on a product, and that will bring me customers, sort of a thing. But gone are the days where you are just relying on increasing the customer numbers. You are really looking at making the customers you as a primary financial institution. That way, you are really looking at how do you look at your products and improve engagement, right? And through differentiated experiences, you bring in that engagement, and that sort of sets you apart from the rest. And the last P that I want to talk to you about is pragmatism over prudence. Because it's great that you are purpose-led, you have principle-led, you have personalization, but if you can't make decisions, irrespective of the kind of clarity that you have, then you're of no good, you lose business, right? And we don't want to be in a business where our business is not sustainable. So I think it's the question of revocable, non-revocable decision making. If you have 60% clarity, do you have enough confidence to make the decision happen? And that's where some of the operating model changes, or how have you structured yourself to make hypotheses and do actions around it? How have you set up a Pathfinder team that can look at 3 years, 4 years in the horizon, contextualize it for your business? Those things become very important. So all these things, these choices, leads to what I want to call as organizational plasticity. And this is coming from the neuroscience world on plasticity, as in how do you sort of build those connections in your brain that helps you adapt to new changing situations. And change is a constant for us, right? And with the economic headwinds, as well as the changing customer expectations, the experiences changes forever. So how do you build that organizational plasticity is a big question, and these levers definitely helps you achieve there. And finally, the bigger goal is, while all these are great, I mean, what are you trying to actually do? Coming from a thought process of a responsible tech, I feel it's time that organizations move from being agile to being responsive to being responsible. That is, the product solutions that you create, you need to be responsible for the direct and indirect consequences. You need to be doing good for your customer, to your society, and to the world at large, right? That's about it. I think that's all what I wanted to cover. So I'm hoping that next year, when this award comes, there is a category for responsible finance as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Murali. Thank you. On this step, otherwise you won't be able to see me. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we're cognizant of the time. It is a work night, so we're going to jump straight into the awards, but don't worry, we're also going to feed you, so your dinner will be served in a few moments, okay? All right, so tonight, before I get into the awards, we're also honored to have Marlowe with us. Now, they're one of the finest luxury bespoke tailors in the region, and you would have seen their mannequins outside. And we're pleased to announce that everyone seated in this room today will be entitled to a complimentary bespoke shirt, courtesy of Marlowe. So you can choose to use this for yourself or to dress up somebody that you love. All you have to do is approach one of the team members who are outside in the foyer after the event, or pick up a name card and drop them a message to make your appointment by April 2023. So there you go. Now let's get into it. We will now commence with the trophy ceremony and invite honorees to the stage to be presented with their awards. Now, we have a professional photographer as well as videographer who will be able to capture those special moments. For those of you that are giving a short acceptance speech, please do so after the award and after the photograph. And for those of you who didn't want to say anything but decided that you do, after all, please let me know and we will give you the microphone. You can also refer to the gala agenda on your tables for the order of announcements. Without further ado, I'm going to first invite on stage the Managing Director of the Digital Banker, Mr. Nirav Patel, to help to present the awards. There you go. Come on up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to start with the Retail Product Innovation Awards, a highly competitive category. Please keep an eye out for the winning citations written by our judges on the side screens to my left and to my right. The first award in this category is Best New Product Launch of the Year. And as I announce your name, we'd like to request that you come up from the stairs on to my left. Taipei Fubon Bank for the Best New Product Launch of the Year. Representing Taipei Fubon Bank is Mr. Brian Chen, Senior Vice President. Congratulations. Now, our best new product launch of the year by a vendor is, and the winner goes to Nest Bank and Fiserv. And receiving this award on behalf of Nest Bank and Fiserv, Mr. Sanjay Deshpande, Senior Vice President, CIO, APAC of Fiserv. Congratulations. And Mr. Deshpande, I believe you want to say a few words, so there's your microphone.
Good evening. I'm honored to accept the Best New Product Launch Award on behalf of Pfizer and our client Nest Bank. It's a neobank in Poland. Nest Bank specializes in financial services for micro and small enterprises. Its offering includes a broad range of products such as deposit accounts, investment products. With the launch of digital payments, Nest Bank customers are benefiting from innovative payment methods such as paying by phone, by watch, by mini bands, or even the revolutionary Visa Mobile. As a result, the number of transactions have gone up by 27% between June of 2021 to June of 2022. And the value of transactions has gone up by almost 47%. In addition to that, Nest Bank also achieved the highest overall NPS award in Q2 of 2021. I would really like to thank Nest Bank for choosing Pfizer as their partner in possibility. I also would like to thank Pfizer team in Poland. I'm taking this award on behalf of both the teams. I would also like to thank the digital banker and the forum which recognizes the innovation, and would like to thank judges. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Deshpande, and congratulations once again. Now, our next award in this category is the Best Savings Award. And the winner is Kept by Krung Sri. And receiving the award is Ms. Jarika Pasvivat, Senior Vice President, Head of Customer Management Department, Bank of Ayodhya, PCL. And Kundarika, I believe you want to say a few words. We'll give you the microphone.
Thank you. Good evening for everyone. On behalf of everyone in Kept by Krungsi team, it's a great honor for us to be selected by the digital banker to win to be the winner of the Best Saving Accounts award this year. This award belongs to everyone in Kept's team, and also Together Saving, which is a product we win this year, is co-created, co-designed by everyone in the functions in Kept team. And we all use the Together Saving to save together. So Together Saving not only help the customer save effectively with their friends and family, it also help Kept achieve as a team. Thank you, the digital banker. Thank you, Kept team, and thank you, Krungsi Bank.
Khop khun ka. Congratulations, Kundarika. Next, we have the award for Best Credit Card for BNPL. And the winner for this award is Standard Chartered Bank Singapore Limited. And receiving the award on behalf of Standard Chartered is Mr. Pradeep Joshi, Executive Director and Head, CCPL Portfolio Management. And Pradeep will give you the microphone as well to say a few words.
Hey, thank you. Good evening. Thank you, the digital banker. I just want to mention that at Standard Chartered, we put our customers first, and for that we keep innovating, evolving our product, and the smart card is one of the examples. We are honored to be recognized for this, and thank you very much again.
Congratulations. And the next award in the Retail Product Innovation Awards category goes to Credit Card of the Year. And the winner is RCBC Bankard. And receiving the award on behalf is Ms. Mylene J. Biko, Senior Vice President and Chief Commercial Officer, who will come to us virtually.
Good evening. In behalf of RCBC and RCBC Banker Services Corporation, we would like to thank the judges and organizers of the Global Retail Banking Innovation Awards 2022 for according RCBC credit cards as the Credit Card of the Year. Our commitment is to enable our cardholders to live life unlimited, empowered with a generous credit limit, enjoying the best product benefits and deals, while at the same time guided by financial management tools through the RCBC digital app. The positive feedback we have been getting from our cardholders, as well as the remarkable business results, have validated our efforts. This recognition, accorded by GRBI, further affirms our initiatives. We are humbled to win this award, knowing that other banks and issuers also have outstanding initiatives. To the rest of the companies being recognized tonight from the Philippines, we send our congratulations. Thank you, and we wish everyone a pleasant evening.
Thank you very much, Mylene. And the next award is for Credit Card of the Year. Now, this is a highly acclaimed win, and this is the first of two. And the winner is United Overseas Bank. And receiving the award is Mr. Nigel Seah, Head of Products and Portfolio Management, CPP. Congratulations, Nigel. And the next highly acclaimed award is the Credit Card of the Year. This time it goes to Central, the One Credit Card General Card Services Limited. And receiving this award is Miss Amornath Wongrungsak, and she is the Vice President, Head of Branding and Marketing Communication and Online Business, Central, the One Credit Card General Card Services Limited. Congratulations. And next we move on to the Debit Card of the Year award. And the winner of this award is Bangkok Bank. And representing Bangkok Bank is Ms. Yupa Bunmi, its Vice President. Congratulations. The next award is for Mortgage Product of the Year, and the winner is Bank One Limited. And I'd like to welcome virtually Ms. Priti Ambika Koji, its Head of Digital and Products. I think you're on mute. We cannot hear you. Let's try that one more time. I'm sure we're all used to this, right? No, we can't hear you. But okay, we'll try and fix this and get back to you a little later on so that you can give your words of gratitude. Thank you, but congratulations, and we'll come back to you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're now moving on to the next category, which is the Service Innovation Awards. And the first award for this is Best Mobile Banking Initiative. And the winner is OCBC Bank. Receiving the award is Ms. Ng Lee Ping, Head of Digital Business. Congratulations on winning that award. Next, we have the Best Mobile Banking Initiative, highly acclaimed. This goes to Krungsri Consumer, and receiving the award for Krungsri Consumer is Mr. Titi Mitisutipan, First Assistant Vice President, Head of Product, Ayudhya Capital Services, I beg your pardon, Company Limited. Congratulations. And next, within the Service Innovation Awards category is the Best Customer-Centric Business Model B2B2C. And the winner is Nung Tid Law Public Company Limited. And coming to us virtually is Mr. Chanrit Sukplang, SVP Insurance Broker, Analyst and Strategy Insurance Broker Lead.
On behalf of Nung Tid Law, we are highly proud and honored to receive the Best Customer-Centric Business Model Award. This award is a recognition of our dedication on developing and delivering fit insurance products and services to support independent insurance agents and increase insurance coverage to our Thai people. In the future, we are committed to evolve more insurance products and services that are suitable for our customers. Thank you, the Digital Banker, for honoring us this award.
Thank you and congratulations. Next, we have the award for Best Bank for Millennials, and the winner is Tomorrow by UOB Indonesia. And receiving this award is Ms. Annie Tan, COO, Tomorrow Digital Group. Congratulations. We move on to the next award within the Service Innovation Awards category, and this time it's for Best Emerging and Mass Affluent Banking Offering. The winner is Maybank Singapore. And receiving the award is Mr. Lim Kok Boon, Head Retail Wealth and Branch Distribution. Congratulations, we have the microphone for you.
Thank you, everyone. I just want to thank the Digital Banker for this wonderful award. It's been a very long 2 COVID years and a bit more. So to receive this award, I think it's a great recognition for our effort. There are 3 of us tonight from Maybank Privilege, but behind the scenes, like many other people, there are hundreds more. So on behalf of them, I just want to express our gratitude. We hope to see everybody again, and with this, I think it serves also as a very strong encouragement for us to do better next year. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations and thank you. Next, we have the award for Best Mass Affluent Banking Offering. And the winner is HSBC Bank Canada. And receiving the award, speaking to us virtually, is Mr. Aditya Chakravarti, Vice President, Customer International and... Okay.
On behalf of HSBC Canada, I would sincerely like to thank the Digital Banker for this amazing recognition. I'm honored to receive this award on behalf of our incredible team of relationship managers who look after the banking and wealth management needs of our valued clients. As a HSBC Premier client, you not only enjoy a premium banking account with priority service and exclusive privileges, you also benefit from the expertise of a dedicated relationship manager who provides access to comprehensive solutions to help grow your wealth, manage your retirement, and support your financial needs. In addition, as Premier clients, your families too have access to the same Premier privileges. Thank you again for this amazing recognition for the best mass affluent banking offering, a category that's truly reflective of our wealth and personal banking strategy at HSBC Canada.
Congratulations, HSBC Bank Canada. Now, the next award is the Outstanding Financial Inclusion in Response to COVID-19. And the winner is Union Bank of the Philippines, Agency Banking, and receiving the award and speaking on their behalf is Mr. Romel Macapagal, Debit and Prepaid Card Head, Union Bank of the Philippines, coming to us live, virtually.
Good evening, everyone. I'm very honored to accept this award on behalf of Union Bank of the Philippines. Thank you to the Digital Bankers Awarding Body. In Union Bank, we are always listening to the needs of our customers and the Filipino people to be able to give them the best and innovative financial services relevant to them. The pandemic limited and impacted everyone's movement. That's why we developed this service in our app and partner with Western Union to bring digital innovation and convenience, receiving international and domestic remittances. We commit to continue to deliver more relevant financial solutions to our fellow Filipinos. Looking forward to seeing you all again in the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And that was the last of the Service Innovation Awards, which means we now move on to the category of Marketing and Customer Engagement Awards. And the first one is for Best Customer Loyalty Program, and the winner is United Overseas Bank. And accepting the award is its Group Retail Marketing, Mr. Lo Suk Yi. Miss Lo Suk Yi. Congratulations, Ms. Low and UOB. The next award is Best Social Media Marketing Initiative. And the winner is Emirates NBD. And accepting the award is Mr. Marwan Mahmoud Mohammed Hadi, EVP, Head of Retail Banking, coming to us virtually. And once he unfreezes, we will play you that video. All right, we'll now move on to the next award. The Best Social Media Marketing Initiative Award. This is for highly acclaimed, and this time it goes to Taipei Fubon Commercial Bank Co. Limited. Accepting the award once again, Senior Vice President, Mr. Brian Chen. Congratulations. Next, under the category of Marketing and Customer Engagement Awards, we have the award for Outstanding Marketing Initiative for a new product. And this time the winner is CIMB Thai Bank Public Company Limited. And receiving the award is its Head Consumer Marketing, Mrs. Tiratida Kuvan, wait, let me try and pronounce this, Tiratida Kuvantrarai. Congratulations. And now, just to give everyone a chance to show their gratitude, we're going to go back to the winner of the Mortgage Product of the Year Award, Bank One Limited. And I believe we have Ms. Priti Ambika Akoji. Hello once again.
Hello. Hope you can hear me now.
Yes, we can.
Yes, thank you, the Digital Banker, for this amazing award. I'd like to thank you on behalf of the Bank One team for this amazing award. Bank One continues to grow its retail asset portfolio at a very rapid pace through our commitment to bring to our customers a mortgage product that best suits their evolving lifestyle. Through our unique features such as flexible pricing and longest tenure on the market, we help improve the cash flow of our customers, especially during these inflationary times. We are highly committed to continuously deliver a very good customer experience. For example, over the past year, our mortgage turnaround time has drastically improved, and we are also moving towards an end-to-end digital journey as well. So our ambition for the bank is to be the bank of choice whenever customers are looking for a mortgage. We have an exciting innovation journey ahead, and we are very grateful to our customers for the trust in us. Thank you again for this amazing award. Thank you.
Congratulations, One, and thank you very much, Priti. Okay, we'll resume with the category of Marketing and Customer Engagement Awards. And the next award is for Outstanding Customer Relations and Brand Engagement Initiative. And the winner is HSBC Bank Singapore. And accepting the award is Ms. Alice Falk, Head of Customer, International and Marketing. And next, we have a highly acclaimed Outstanding Customer Relations and Brand Engagement Initiative Award. The winner for this is PT Bank HSBC Indonesia. And accepting the award is Mrs. Francisca Kalista Arnan, Head of Customer Propositions and Marketing, coming to us virtually. And perhaps she'll come to us again later. This is what happens when we do virtual stuff. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, moving on. Best Marketing Campaign of the Year award for credit card. The winner for this is PT Bank HSBC Indonesia. And again, we have Ms. Francisca Kalista Arnan, Head of Customer Propositions and Marketing. And hopefully this time we'll be able to get her video playing. And if not, we will come back to it.
We are pleased and honored for being recognized as the highly acclaimed Outstanding Customer Relations and Brand Engagement Initiative and also Best Marketing Campaign of the Year by the Global Retail Banking Innovation Awards 2022. Our customer is at the center of everything we do, and we are committed to provide them with full spectrum customer experience like no other. These awards reflect our team's dedication to translate our core values and vision to open up a world of opportunity, which played a pivotal role in making our success story. As a global bank with deep roots in Asia and historical presence in Indonesia, these awards have inspired us to serve our customers even better and connect them with more world-class international opportunities. Thank you.
Congratulations. Okay, now we're going to move on to the Trailblazer of the Year award category. Now, this is designed to recognize the globally best-in-class institution that has gone above and beyond in terms of pioneering new initiatives that have materially disrupted established retail banking practices and proven to be exceptionally game-changing within the broader financial ecosystem. Now, these institutions are established trendsetters with a proven track record of consistently launching high-impact product, service, and solution sets from a business and financial performance perspective that are reimagining the customer journey, unlocking new opportunities for operational success, and creating sustainable value for all stakeholders. So UOB Bank continues to register strong financial performance coupled with effective deposit mobilization and client acquisition in the 2021-22 period, despite having to deal with relatively adverse business conditions. Importantly, its digital banking proposition through Tomorrow has resonated across key client segments in ASEAN-based markets with innovative and targeted propositions that is driving new-to-bank client growth, reducing acquisition costs, and facilitating overall customer recommendation. Now, UOB has also made significant technology investments in further streamlining operational processes, particularly with regards to branch automation and self-service banking, while leveraging advanced analytics to enable a superior customer experience across channels. The bank has been equally progressive in its thinking, redesigning job roles and responsibilities with a view towards future-proofing the organization from disruption and enabling the organization to remain competitive, agile, and adaptable to new opportunities and threats. Now, likewise, its commitment to sustainability has placed UOB among industry leaders, contributing towards decarbonization with the launch of green finance products that are helping offset the negative impact of climate change. With that, we would now like to welcome Janet Young, Managing Director and Head, Group Channels and Digitalization, UOB, to share her perspectives on what has truly become an exceptional and transformative year at UOB.
Good evening, management and organizers from the Digital Banker, distinguished guests, friends who are on virtual streaming via Facebook, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, it is my great honor to accept the Trailblazer of the Year award on behalf of the team at UOB. While it is me standing here tonight, there are actually 26,000 employees within UOB, and we are a family, 4 tables of family members here, who are the reason why the bank consistently blazes new trails in the areas of technology and innovation, customer centricity and service, industry leadership, and people development. Since the humble beginnings in Singapore in 1935, for those of you who may not know the foundings of UOB, we have been a pioneer in the banking industry rooted in Singapore. At that time, the focus was to help the merchant community in Singapore prosper and grow. Over the decades, we have grown our business across geographies and currently present in 19 countries by putting customers at the center of everything we do, helping them to grow and thrive, fulfill their financial aspirations in a responsible and risk-aware manner. As a leading regional bank focused on ASEAN, connecting consumers and businesses to opportunities to one of the world's most diverse economic blocks, we invest extensively in the future of finance, a unique combination of people and technology. We invest in both equally in intensive amounts over the last decades to power innovation and capabilities to serve our customers. We're guided by our vision, anchored on trust, and a set of values, a very strong core set of values, which are to be honorable, to be enterprising, to be committed and united. This underpins the UOB culture. We are focused on creating long-term value for our customers, people, communities, and stakeholders in a responsible manner. I have not met Mr. Murali of ThoughtWorks before, and you will see that both of what we said today have some resemblance. As we look ahead to the 100th anniversary in 2035, where UOB will become 100, we want to be the world's most preferred bank for consumers and businesses in ASEAN, helping our customers achieve their financial, personal, and business aspirations. To do that, we will continue to transform and ride on the mega trends driving the region's growth and prosperity, tapping on emerging technologies and innovations. We will continue to press on in 3 focus areas where we can make a positive difference. These areas are personalization, connectivity, and sustainability. Let me take the first one on personalization. We are at the cusp of a very important period of transformation. Many aspects of our life and businesses have changed with technology and COVID-19 pandemic. Our approach to these changes is to remain focused on the customer and ensure speed to market. Whether it is in serving their lifestyle and business needs online or offline, it will always be towards personalizing a seamless experience in a timely manner. The use of data analytics and AI, coupled with human interaction, human observation, relationships, to power greater insights will help us to design and deliver the best experience for our customers. This is our omni-channel approach, where customers choose how they want, when they want to be served, and where. As customer behaviors and preferences change, we ensure they have a seamless online and offline experience. Customers now rank UOB top 3 in Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia by NPS scores. We have also been transforming our branch network and people to be more advisory, providing opportunities for customers to learn and making the network to be more experiential and giving space for customers to learn, acquire knowledge in the areas of financial literacy, digitalization, sustainability or ESG areas, and wellness for better engagement. Technology will continue to be a key strategy for us to extend reach. It will be how we power innovation across ASEAN. For example, our multi-award-winning digital platform, UOB Tomorrow. UOB Tomorrow has been, and you know they have won several awards tonight, has been recognized as for its industry-leading capabilities to create a simple is hard to do, engaging, transparent, and hyper-personalized digital banking experience for retail customers. UOB Tomorrow was the first digital bank in ASEAN to build an AI-driven digital engagement engine to serve insights and solutions that are relevant to customers based on their banking patterns in real time. It was the first in the region to disrupt the traditional banking rewards experience by giving the customers the ability to track the amount of credit card reward points they earned with every purchase through the Rewards Plus feature on UOB Tomorrow. Recognized for its strength of strategy in attracting, growing, and servicing digital customers, UOB Tomorrow has achieved strong results in growing UOB's regional customer franchise and high NPS scores. It has achieved and reached a remarkable milestone in August this year, achieving a million digitally acquired customers, with more than 2/3 of them being new to bank. This platform is also key to us serving and servicing digitally our incoming Citibank customers across the region. I'm sure you are aware of our acquisition of Citi's consumer banking business across ASEAN, an acquisition that will accelerate our retail growth by 5 years and double our customer base upon completion. In fact, just last week, on November 1st, we announced the completion of acquisition of Citi's consumer banking business in Malaysia and Thailand. And we are planning to complete the acquisition of Citi's consumer banking businesses in Indonesia and Vietnam in 2023. On connectivity, on this front, UOB has an unparalleled network in ASEAN and helps businesses to stay connected on many fronts. We have a strong SME focus, and to help them thrive in the digital economy, we have developed a suite of innovative banking solutions to provide digital connectivity to SMEs. Back in August this year, so you notice we are very busy this year, it's again August this year, UOB launched the UOB SME app, an industry-first, all-in-one platform designed for SMEs to stay on top of their businesses. We are then taking digital banking further by offering SMEs with the ability to tap data-driven insights while on the go. The key features include an interactive dashboard that allows SMEs to view their cash flow, its forecast, debtors, aging through seamless connection to accounting data such as accounting receivables and payables, ability to open an account, apply for business loans, and transact on the go. Personalized FX watch list, instant FX rate alerts to help customers track and execute their trades, helping them to manage amidst market volatility. That's not all. We also have included persona-based insights, events, and tailored engagement content, all made possible through the app. This app marks a new phase of self-serve digital banking experience and access to financing and insights for SMEs, designed to help them achieve their growth ambitions. Why? Why are we focused on helping SMEs? They are the backbone of employment, contribute significantly to the economy, and source of growth for all the ASEAN markets that UOB thrive and operate in. 74% SMEs surveyed through the ASEAN SME Transformation Study in 2022 told us that they are looking at banks to connect them to partners within an ecosystem offering business-related services. In response, we have UOB Bismart, a suite of digital solutions enabling across to a marketplace of solutions which includes accounting, HR, payroll, logistics, digital marketing, and even food fulfillment platforms that help businesses manage their operations efficiently. UOB also powers the FinLab, an innovation accelerator that helps SMEs transform, learn, experience, and adopt digital and sustainability solutions. On sustainability, many of us are interested in the planet's future and want to reduce our carbon footprint. UOB is no exception. Recently, we committed to be carbon neutral by 2025 as an organization and aim to be net zero by 2050 to support a just transition for ASEAN. Our commitment covers 6 sectors that make up 60% of our corporate lending portfolio. Our latest net zero announcements was off the back of several pioneering initiatives such as U-Solar and U-Drive, industry-first initiatives that help individuals and businesses move to renewable energy and reduce their own carbon footprint. We also offer practical frameworks to help businesses, including SMEs, integrate sustainability into their business. We recently set a new sustainable financing target of $30 billion by 2025, having achieved our earlier target ahead of schedule. Last but not least, now let me touch on people. People is our greatest asset, and UOB has been investing in people via multiple fronts. At the group level, UOB has a Better You program launched since October 2019 to prepare the 26,000 employees for a digital future with skills and technologies including design thinking, project management, data analytics. Just 2 weeks back, in the Better You Festival, raised by Deputy Prime Minister Heng, we announced the setting up of a Group Technology and Operations GTO Academy to nurture tech talent and foster future-ready workforce under an MOU with SIT, among other initiatives. Besides this overarching group-wide program, many divisions also invest extensively in people growth and development, like my own team in group channels and digitalization, where we have embarked on professional conversion program for all our branch staff group-wide to become multi-skilled and ready to take on expanded roles that are more advisory and less transactional. This provides mobility and growth for the employees, for example, in Singapore, to become customer experience managers, total service managers, digital ambassadors, wellness advocates, VOC designers, and risk and assurance officers. They also acquire exposure in cutting-edge technologies on learning journeys, example, working on Singapore FinTech Festival project, where they also meet and learn from experts in blockchain, Web 3.0, open banking, embedded finance, ESG, and more. In conclusion, the three focus areas of personalization, connectivity, and sustainability will be the areas where you will see UOB continue on its trailblazing path. And investment in people and technologies will remain the cornerstone of our drive to fulfill our promise, which is to build the future of ASEAN for the people and businesses within and connecting with ASEAN. I would like to once again thank the Digital Banker and the judges for bestowing its inaugural Trailblazer Award to UOB and my family members, 26,000 employees worldwide. Such recognition is an endorsement that the path we have chosen to do what is right, to think long-term, to be a responsible financial steward, and to help build the future of ASEAN is the right one. Thank you.